In this video, I will demonstrate how to get started with Notion. This involves creating an account and making your first page. Hello, I'm Tatiana and welcome to Organize with Notion. You've just found Notion and you're eager to use it to organize your personal and work life. At first, it might be a bit confusing to get to know all the features and resources of the tool. Figuring out how to make pages, add content, and use databases can be complicated. Keep watching this video as I walk you through everything you need to know to confidently start using Notion. We'll go over creating an account, exploring the free features, and setting up your main page. In Notion, you can create an account using the free version. To begin, access the Notion website and create a new account. Alternatively, you can use the link provided in the video description. Click on the Get Notion Free button. Next, enter your email address or use your existing Google or Apple account. Afterward, you'll receive a confirmation email. Open the email and click on the confirmation link to activate your account. Once activated, choose a name and create a secure password for your account. Next, select how you plan to use Notion. In this case, I will choose personal use, then click Continue. Now you have access to the free version of Notion. Let's start exploring. When you sign up, you'll get ready-made pages to assist you. You can decide whether to keep or delete these templates. I recommend keeping them as they make organizing easier, including a diary, a to-do list, and other helpful pages. There's even a page with simple instructions to help you get started with Notion. Notion lets you make and arrange information on pages, like empty sheets in a virtual notebook. You can find them in the left sidebar, and you can put in text, pictures, tables, checklists, files, and more. In the sidebar, you can easily search for pages, see the latest updates, and adjust your Notion account settings or language. At the top, you can see the path to your page. This is useful because in Notion, you can create a page within another page. At the top, you can share your page with others and change the font and layout. If you need help, click on the question mark symbol at the bottom right. Here you can find documentation and keyboard shortcuts. Now I will show you how to create your first page from scratch. You can make your own pages to suit your needs. For instance, one for planning projects, another for keeping track of goals and objectives, and one for taking study notes. To make a page, click on New Page in the sidebar. Type the title of your page and then click on Empty Page. To view it as a full page, click here. The top section is where you can find the title, cover, and icon of your page. You have the freedom to customize it as per your preference. Click on the Add Icon button and your page will have a random emoji as its icon. To change it, simply click on the icon and choose one of the options from the menu. You can choose an emoji, an icon, or an image from your computer. When you add an icon to your page, it will also be shown in the sidebar. This makes it easier to find your pages whenever you need them. To add a cover, click on the Add Cover button. A random image will appear on the cover. To change it, click on the Change Cover button. You can choose an image from the Notion gallery, upload an image from your computer, use a link from the internet, or select an image from the Unsplash image bank. If you'd like a video tutorial on how to make personalized images for your covers, please leave a comment. Below the title, you can add different elements to your page such as texts, images, checklists, and more. To add an element, click on the plus icon next to the line and select the element you want. You can also use the parse command to choose the element you want. This command is very flexible in Notion, and can be used anywhere on the page. As an example, I will create a highlighted phrase. I will type call out and press enter. I will write a phrase in this box. If you want, you can change the settings of this element by clicking on the 6 dots next to it. You can change the background color, the font color, and even the icon. To edit texts, just begin typing. If you want to format a specific part, a drop-down menu will appear when you select it. From there, you can choose to make it bold, italic, or underlined. You also have the option to change the color of the text and background. To delete an item, click on the 6 dots next to it and then click on Delete. You can also split the page into columns. Click on the plus and search for columns. In this example, I will use 2 columns, but you can create up to 5 columns here. In the first column, I will create a task list. Each line will represent a task on the list. To add a checkbox next to each task, I will select All and click on the 6 dots. Then I will choose Turn Into and select To-Do List. In the second column, I will create some pages. You can do it in the same way as we did with the task list. Just write the page title and click on the 6 dots. Choose Turn Into and then Page. Now you have a page within another, and you can see this hierarchy of pages in the sidebar. To create pages, click on the plus and then on Page. Notion will open a new page where you can start working on it. To go back to the previous page, use the navigation menu in the top bar. When you start with a blank page, you can do things your own way. It might feel a little overwhelming at first, but you also have more choices when you create a page. One way is to import data from other software like Evernote or Trello, for instance. You can also use templates provided by Notion. They have templates for work, studies, and projects. By clicking on a template, you can see a preview of the page here. If you want to use the template, click on Get Template. Now you can customize the page and use it as you want. Now that you understand the basics of using Notion, there are many other things you can do. Notion has a great feature called databases that allows you to organize and structure information in your own unique way. The reading list page we created using the Notion template is an example of a gallery database. With a database, you can create tables and customize fields to capture specific information. For instance, you can create a database for managing tasks with fields such as title, person in charge, due date, and status. You can even include selection fields, checkboxes, links, and more. Moreover, the database allows you to effortlessly organize and handle your data. You can arrange it in different ways, like sorting, filtering, and grouping. Furthermore, you can choose to create different views, like a list view that assists you in keeping track of your readings. I hope this video has helped you learn how to use Notion better and stay organized. Now you can explore all the great features that Notion offers. Remember to customize your pages, try different elements, and make the most of this powerful tool. Thanks for watching and see you next time.